No matter what size your machine shop, chances are you're looking to grow. But when I speak with shop owners, their challenge isn't growth itself as much as staying profitable while they scale. Because you can invest in new equipment, document key processes, or push for more output, but each of those levers carries risk. In fact, industry surveys show that small to mid-sized shops are trying to grow through equipment and process changes, while at the same time worrying about cost pressures and employee capability. So how do you navigate that environment? By building decision clarity before making significant investments. This isn't about new software or systems, it's about practical tools your team can use to structure complex operational decisions before committing capital. If you're considering your next growth move, visit our channel or reach out to learn more about how we can help.